But you have to be watchful. Malikot masyado ang cryptocurrency. So alam
Okay.
mo kung kailan ka lalabas, kung kailan
Mm.
ka papasok. It's
Mm.
like in stock market, when will you buy and when will you
Sell.
sell?
Mm.
Pero sa akin kasi, no, looking back, let's say I started in stock market noong 2006 when it was really very high. The index was around 8,000 to 9,000 and it went down noong 2008, like nangalahati yun eh. Then
Mm.
it went up again. And then during 2019, it went to as high as 9,000 index.
Mm.
And then 2020, it went down to 4,000 index. So imaginein mo yung nalulugi talaga siya.
Mm.
But hindi ka malulugi, it's only a paper loss, they say. If
Mm.
you don't get out from it, you just leave it there.
Mm.
Kailangan mahaba ang PC mo.